Hi there, thanks for joining me for this video. In our prior video, we worked on calculating the future value of an annuity using a specific formula. And I mentioned in that video that there were 4 different ways of doing it. The formula being one, obviously utilizing Excel, utilizing a financial calculator. But the 4th one that I mentioned was utilizing the future value of an annuity table. And so that's what you're seeing on the right-hand side of your screen here. And I'm going to show you a pretty simple way of calculating the future value of an annuity. If you recall from the last video, there was a series of steps to utilize, and utilizing a table such as this makes it very, very simple and eliminates probably 5 out of the 6 steps. We're going to use the same question that we answered in our prior video just for comparability purposes. So that particular question was we were going to invest $2,000 per year. And so if you remember from last time, we expressed that as PMT for payment. And we're going to invest that for a period of 25 years, which we express by the letter N, and we are expecting to earn 8% on that return, or 0.08. Now, at this point in the prior video, we went into this pretty lengthy calculation that involved a series of steps and a formula, and it took a little bit of time. So utilizing this table to the right-hand side, we can actually get to the same answer much sooner. So we're still trying to figure out how much money are we going to have at the end of 25 years, assuming we put in $2,000 a year, that's what we contribute, and assuming we earn 8% per year over that entire period. So not 8% over 25, but 8% per year. So this table to the right-hand side, which I'm going to direct your attention to, makes it really simple to actually get to the numbers that we need. So I'm going to go ahead and change colors here just so this stands out more. This table, notice on the top of the screen here, on top of the table, in the top of the cells, this actually shows the percentage rate of return. So this is the rate that we expect to earn per period. Now, if you recall, we're working on an annual basis because we're contributing payments annually. So this is the rate of return we expect to earn every single year. Notice there's a column for 8%, which is what we expect to earn. Each row, or each down here, this shows the number of periods. So this is the length of time that we intend to actually invest this money. So you notice that we can start at 1, and then we can go all the way to 30 years. This really just varies depending upon ultimately how long we're investing. So for us, we know that we plan on investing for a 25-year period, which is towards the bottom of the table. So what you do is you follow the 8%, and we go all the way down until we get to 25, which is the second row from the bottom, and that is 73.10594. Now, if you remember from the previous video, after we performed all the calculations in the bracket, we got to a very similar number. It was actually 73.1059. So we just didn't go the extra kind of decimal place, if you will. So all we have to do now is we have to take the two numbers, which is 2,000, and we multiply it by the 73.10594. And of course, just like last time, we're going to get just over $146,000. And so it makes the calculation much easier to perform because we're reducing a number of steps. The exact number, for those of you curious, $146,211.88. I believe in our prior calculation, we got 80 cents instead of 88. So that point, this 4 right here, added 8 cents, which is pretty much insignificant. So that's how you solve for the future value of an annuity using this table here, which if you have access to it is very easy. It's in the back of most personal finance textbooks in the appendix section. You can also find a variety of tables online that make it easy reference, and obviously calculating the future value of annuity, very simple.